This is better? Okay. Yeah, I want to once again thank everybody for coming here. And before that, na peru Upender Telgandi, National Standing Committee Finance Chair nenu. First of all, I want to wish Happy New Year to everybody in this room. Very Happy New Year. I know, okasari New Year ochindi anante, we always have oka glimpse leka chustam. Last year emi jarigindi, what we have achieved and what went wrong. And again, at the same time, we always think about like what can be done better, how do we move forward from here, right? So if I look at myself and most of my Telanganates here, almost all of them, there is one proud achievement which we got in 2014. That is our state, Telangana, and Jai Telangana. Actually, in India nunchi vachi dadapu 2 varalu ayindi, 2 weeks ayindi. So what happened is, last gata 16 samvatsaraల నుంచి రావడము పోవడము, it's always అదొక ఆనవాయితీ లెక్క. But this time it was a very unique experience for me. Can you guess what? I myself did not know. The thing is, my address changed. My home is there, everything is there. But now I write my state as Telangana. That's the only difference, and I'm proud to do that. Unfortunate thing is to share this nostalgic moment, I didn't have anybody with me, but I will always save this moment with me forever. And beyond that, I stayed there for like how many, maybe like 2 weeks kante ekku lenu nenu. Within those 2 weeks, what I have seen, the improvements and the progress within the states, it's simply amazing. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు టీవీలో చూడడము, మీడియాలో చూడడము, దానితోని you will not get 100% of the information until unless you are on ground there. And I was on ground there and I have seen the reality. I can see the change in administration. In the whole, even if you take like the administration from the grassroots level, things are changing. We can see the change there. మీరు ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి జనాలతో మాట్లాడి, if you socialize with them, you can easily feel the difference. And the biggest thing is, the state government itself has started giving priority to women's safety. Women's safety is #1 priority right now in the state administration. That is one more thing which I have seen. I'm just sharing my thoughts here. And the next thing I have seen is like, మనకందరికీ తెలుసు, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీకి ఏదైనా నష్టం జరగాలంటే either it could be in 2 ways. #1 is gambling and #2 is drinking. Those are the 2 major evils in the society, which we all know that. And these 2 evils, there is a big campaign by the state government to contain these 2 evil things, and which are very, very strong in the state administration. I have personally experienced it. After I get down on the stage, you are feel free to discuss with me. I can give you 2 or 3 examples, what I have seen with my own eyes. Gambling is no longer permitted in any way and at any cost. That is a very big move towards progress. And the next thing what I've seen is, Hyderabad, like in spite of being India, for whatever reason, when it comes to some disturbances in the society, it always takes like one of the top places there. And state government actually is taking so many precautions. Meer ekkada ellina kuda, you will always find security people, you always find police and everybody. And mundu lekka, you know what, you don't have any control. I mean, say like control means like you don't have any backdoor entries here to control this law here. This is very, very amazing which I have seen in this new state government. And beyond that, political leaders' influence. Manaki edaina pani kavali anante political leaders' influence, we always try to use our backdoor entries. That is no longer available and it's very, very limited there. Well, kudos to all the state government what is doing there. And let's come back to TDF. TDF Dallas chapter, in a TDF actually national, it took presence in 1999. We started. It's been almost 14 years now. దాదాపు 14 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి TDF ఉన్నది. But the thing is, the vision and the statement of TDF has always been the same, whether it is like even when the Telangana state was not formed or when it's part of the different state, but now also the vision and statement did not change. It's the same vision, which is development vision and totally focused for the state of totally focused for the state development of the state. And not only this one, we are even getting full support from the local government there. Even KCR himself, long time back, he was a strong activist and he was involved in several Telangana and TDF activities in the past. So given that, we have lot of space and we have lot of visibility and to make things happen. Beyond that, TDF has a presence in almost 70 countries now, which is very, very remarkable. When you take any organization spanning across so many countries across the globe, I don't think so any organization has even achieved to this level. And a big round of applause for that. And Vishu garu ikkada unnaru, and he will definitely share what his vision is moving forward. And again, you know, I don't want to take his thoughts and present before you. He will have a much more elaborate subject to talk about here. So Diniki, even the state government has recognized, you know, like 6 members committee team, which is appointed by the government of Telangana from TDF. And this is nothing but a protocol team where they, you know, like a kind of advisory team like untadi. And they kind of like take these ideas and see like how these ideas can be implemented and how will it reach to the government. This is one more big achievement actually which TDF has got. And the objective of TDF is like, including even this local city of ours, we have multiple Telangana organizations, multiple communities here. But the vision of TDF with which Vishu is coming forward to every city, he's doing every city here. And there is only one vision and one statement. And the statement is, he wants to have a national platform which is cross-organizational and cross-city levels. So you might belong to any different organization in any way, but ultimately when it comes to national level, it's only one platform, that is Telangana Development Forum. And meeru ippudu peru chusina kuda Telangana Development Forum. If you dissect these 3 words, Telangana actually represents the identity. It's a place, it's a region, it's a culture. And development means like what is the progressing factor here. And the 3rd word is forum. Forum ante endi? Forum is all the good people in this room. We all form a forum here. A forum is an open statement. Like people come and contribute whatever you want, in whatever way you want. And this is what Telangana Development Forum is for. So meeku tochinanta ఏ విధంగా సహాయపడతారో back home, if this platform is always open here. So that's one of the biggest statements actually with which Vishu is coming forward to each and every city. And again, if what TDF provides here is like, ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తాం individually we all contribute in different levels. So మనం ఒక దగ్గర like $100, $1000, $5000 ఎక్కడెక్కడో చిన్నగా ఇస్తాం. But what happens is, if you look at the nature, what happens is if it rains, వర్షం పడ్డప్పుడు వర్షము అన్ని చిన్న కాలువలు అవుతాయి, అన్ని కాలువలు నదులు అవుతాయి. But at the end everything goes and into the ocean, మహాసముద్రంలోకి వెళ్తారు. So even if these organizations are different, ultimately everything has to go into Telangana Development Forum, which is the Mahasamudram which we are expecting here. And TDF వచ్చేసి what it is giving us is a process, a platform and a tool of how to help people back home there. And I believe, like the Telangana Development Forum believes in 5 E's here. 5 E's ante, the first E is for envision, the second E is for enlist, and the third E is for empower, fourth E is for evaluate, and the fifth E is for encourage. Let me explain one line here. Envision. Envision means the vision of Telangana, what we have today. That itself is the vision of TDF. We want to have a progressive Telangana moving forward into the next century, into the next decade, whatever it is. And enlist. Enlist is what Vishu is doing today. మనకు ఒక విజన్ ఉన్నది అని అంటే ఆ విజన్ మనం 10 మందితో కమ్యూనికేట్ చేస్తాము, షేర్ చేస్తాము. That's what he is doing now. He is sharing his vision like, I want to have this. And in order to, if you share this vision, what happens is you will come across people who have the same vision like you. And you will form a group there, you will form a team there. And this is what grouping the people. This is called enlisting. That's the second E which we are talking about. And third one వచ్చేసి empower. Empower is where the TDF process, the TDF protocol plays a very major role here. Empowering ante oka manishiki ippudu nenu oka daggara $1000 iyadalchukunna, right? I want to educate some kids there. What happens? I alone cannot do it, or maybe it's not even sufficient. But now, if I come with a like-minded people who are willing to contribute, so I can share my contribution with other people, make it a bigger pool. And this bigger pool is sometimes actually matched dollar to dollar here itself on this US grounds. And then the second layer of contribution comes to us from the government of Telangana, where we are getting commitments from all the local leaders, local politicians and everybody who are still wanting to contribute dollar to dollar amount for this. So we are empowering these people and we are giving. But now uruku nenu cheyadalchukunna, right? So you can put that statement, you can have a plan for it, a roadmap for it. Like, okay, na uruku nenu cheyadalchukunna. Okay, this is the plan and this is what I want to proceed with. Put it in the forum, people will discuss, and TDF will empower you with all the tools, resources available to make sure your vision is materialized here. That's what empower means. And the fourth one is evaluate. Manam eppudaina contributions ichinappudu, we always have one question in mind. I think everybody has that. That is, nenu pampichina dabbulu ekkada poyinayi, how it has been utilized. TDF has a very good efficient way of evaluating how did your money reach to the final recipient of this whole cycle. So that is what is evaluate. And the next and the foremost thing is a platform for all the last 4 years, which is nothing but encourage. We all believe in encouraging people. నేను ఒకరిని ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు ఇంకొన్ని నన్ను like they go and encourage other people, and at the same time like self encouragement tone we can all achieve all this. So that's what the vision of that's what the tool and the protocol of TDF is. I think I took a lot of time. Thank you very much, and again, Jai Telangana.